Hi, welcome to the Arrow Workshop. This video is actually a re-upload of our old video on the RT187M One-Handed Riveter. The RT187M was recently updated. If you have a newer model, which looks like this, click the link in the description to see a video on it. But if you have an older model and your tool looks like this, keep watching.
Hi, welcome to the Arrow Workshop. Today, we're going to talk about the features and applications of the RT187M Rivet Tool. The RT187M has a unique, ergonomic, easy one-hand operation, making this a great all-purpose rivet tool for both professional and DIY rivet applications. The compact, lightweight rivet tool was developed with ease of use in mind and features an adjustable stroke distance for the ultimate in comfort and control. The RT187M has innovative thumb screw nose pieces in 4 different sizes, which are color-coded to the rivet size. The RT187M features a tough, durable steel construction, a spring-loaded handle with comfort grips, and a convenient handle lock for storage. This tool works with aluminum and steel rivets of any size. The RT187M is perfect for home repair projects on windows, air vents, heating ducts, as well as general home repairs. Thank you for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. We hope you enjoy your new tool.